Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
What's up guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to utilize the second AI tool, which is Copy AI, to generate us the ad copy for Google Ads. And then we're still going to use the same product for our examples, right? So we're just going to stick with this product and just click on this link, guys. It will take you to this page, and as you guys can rate free ad copy generator, I want you to create your account first. So just click on get started for free, right? So I'm just gonna click on it, get started for free. Well, actually I've already logged in, so I'm just gonna show you like how to sign up. So I'm gonna log out really quick. I'm going to show you the full step-by-step process on how to sign up. So just click on continue with Google, or you can also click on continue with Facebook if you want to sign up using your Facebook account, or maybe you can also sign up manually by entering your email address and your password manually. So I'm just gonna go with the first option. So I'm gonna click continue with Google, and I'm going to pick the email that I want to be registered on this platform. So I'm gonna click on this email, and as you guys can see, now I'm going to be redirected to my dashboard, right? Okay, so logging you in. Just wait, it might take you like a couple seconds. Usually it doesn't take too long. Alright, so as you guys can see, now we are on our dashboard. So it looks very similar to ChatGPT, right? It's kind of like an AI chatbot where you can, just type in your prompt, type in your instructions, and then click generate or hit enter, and then this AI is going to give you the reply. Okay, so if you click on my projects, as you guys can see, I have several different projects that I created in the past. However, if this is brand new account, right? If you've just created this account, then obviously there's nothing here because you haven't created any project yet. So you can also click on templates to explore many different templates available. But now we're just going to be focusing on how to create an ad copy, right? So let's go back to this page and then click try for free today. Just click on it. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is like the prompt that we're going to use. Create 10 Google Ads. So I'm just going to modify this a little bit. Create 10 Google Ads about. So we're going to let Copy AI know about the product that we're going to sell, which is this travel pillow. Alright, and just hit enter. Okay, so as you guys can see, Copy AI is generating the response. Look at this. Sleep better on your journeys. Get the best travel pillow for a comfortable sleep on long flights and road trips. Shop now. Okay, so this is like the call to actions. This is the heading, and this is the descriptions, right? Always remember that when it comes to creating Google Ads campaigns, it is consisted of two main components, the heading and the descriptions, right? But sometimes you also want to add the call to actions just to, give a clear instructions on what to do next. For example, like shop now and then click on this link or something like that, right? And the second one here, we have ultimate neck support for travel. Say goodbye to neck pain with our ergonomic travel pillows. Experience comfort like never before. Shop now. Okay, so you have like 10 different options here, right? Let's say you're not very satisfied with these ad copies and you want Copy AI to generate you 2 more ad copies, and this time you want Copy AI to concentrate more on this particular feature. For example, adjustable or removable cover, right? So let's rewrite the prompt down below. Generate me 2 more options. Let's concentrate more on adjustable and lightweight travel pillow. Okay, so here we go. So I hit enter and then we'll see. Okay, as you guys can read here, customize, comfort, lightweight design. Discover our adjustable and lightweight travel pillows for the perfect fit and ease of travel, experience, comfort, and convenience. And the second one here is travel light, sleep right. Okay, so it's a very short heading, but it really sounds good, guys. Our adjustable and lightweight travel pillows provide optimal neck support and portability. Rest comfortably wherever you go. Shop now. This is like the call to actions, right? Okay, so that's how you guys utilize Copy AI to generate your ad copies for Google ad campaigns. Very easy to use, right? It looks very similar to ChatGPT. The way it works also very similar to ChatGPT. All you need to do is just to type in the prompt. Let Copy AI know what you want. Let Copy AI know what products that you're selling, right? So yeah, that's how you guys use it. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to learn how to create ad copies using our third AI tool, which is WriteSonic. So I'll see you guys there.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.